In this exercise, we will learn the Art History Brush Tool. Actually, the Art History Brush Tool is used to paint on images to make it stylized. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the History Brush Tool, we can see the Art History Brush Tool underneath the History Brush Tool, or we can press Shift and Y. Okay, I have selected this tool. Now, make a new layer in the Layers panel to make it non-destructive. And if I click and start painting on it, then we can see it is creating an effect. Something like that. Okay, let's undo that. Okay, now we have different styles: tight short, tight medium, long, loose medium, and dab. For example, if I choose tight short and paint on it, we can see this type of effect. Let's undo that, and now let's try dab and paint on it, and we can see this type of effect. And that is very, very cool. We can try other options here, but my favorite is dab style. We can also change the size of the brush to small. And okay, now create a new layer, and then hide this one layer. If I paint on it, we can see it's a very good effect with a small brush size. You can try different sizes and do experiments to create new and creative effects. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the eraser tool.